I want to share a video of my CAMPLUX propane water heater that I'm about to turn on. I have already turned on the water through my outdoor spigot and the black hose. I have also checked for leaks with the propane tank with soapy water. So now I will turn on the propane. Pick up the shower head, turn on the water, and when I turn on the water, the water heater will come on automatically. There it goes, it's lit. I don't know if you can see the flame. Maybe you cannot. Anyway, the water is nice and warm, straight from my outdoor hose. Now, I had to adjust the settings. The manufacturer recommends the gas be on the middle and the water on maximum, but I found that the mixture made the water a little bit too cold. It was sort of lukewarm, so I made that adjustment. And the other thing I did was I bought a vintage, here we go, I bought a vintage slide projector screen, and it has the absolute perfect hook on the back to hang this thing. Anyway, I think it's a great product. The water is nice and warm. I wish you could feel it. And I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching.